Almost every profession in this world requires tools. Tools make our work easy and efficient. Like every profession, hacking also has tools that are used for performing different types of operations, like web pen testing, network scanning, exploiting vulnerabilities, etc. Most of the tools in the Kali Linux are based on the command line, but some of them also provide a graphical user interface. Before starting, here is the brief introduction of Kali Linux. There are many Linux-based operating systems, but the most popular of them for ethical hacking is Kali Linux. It became popular after being used in Mr. Robot series. Kali Linux is a paradise for hackers because it contains more than 600 hacking tools. Each tool has a specific purpose, but in this video I will tell you about the 10 best tools in Kali Linux for ethical hackers. Let's get started. On number 10 we have Social Engineering Toolkit, also known as SE Toolkit. It is one of the best social engineering tool in the Kali Linux. It is used by ethical hackers to perform attacks based on social engineering. Social engineering means by understanding human behavior. Social engineering is the most dangerous and most common hacking attack. In this tool, you are provided with many options, but I can't explain them because of community guidelines. You can search for social engineering on Google if you want to know more about it. Social Engineering Toolkit is pre-installed in Kali Linux. If it is not installed, you can install it by typing the following command in your Kali Linux terminal. After installation, you can simply use this tool by typing sudo se toolkit in your Kali Linux terminal. Number 9 on our list is Wireshark. Wireshark is a network security tool used by ethical hackers to analyze or work with data sent over a network. It is used to analyze the packets transmitted over a network. It captures and analyzes data traffic in a Wi-Fi network. These packets may have information like the source IP and the destination IP, the protocol used, the data, and some headers. The packets generally have PCAP extensions, which could be read using Wireshark tool. Wireshark also comes pre-installed in Kali Linux. Wireshark is GUI tool, so you can use it by typing sudo Wireshark on Kali Linux terminal. Number 8 on our list is John the Ripper. John the Ripper is used by ethical hackers for cracking passwords. It is also known as JTR. You can easily install this tool in Kali Linux by typing the following command in your Kali Linux terminal. Ethical hackers use this tool to perform some special brute force attack, like dictionary-based attack to check password strength. John the Ripper is also used by cybersecurity experts to test the security and password strength of many zip files and hashes, etc. Typing John on the Linux terminal is a key to start this tool. You can view the help of John by typing the following command. Number 7 on our list is SQL Map. SQL Map is one of the best tools to perform SQL injection attacks. It just automates the process of testing a parameter for SQL injection and even automates the process of exploitation of the vulnerable parameter. It is a great tool as it detects the database on its own, so we just have to provide a URL to check whether the parameter in the URL is vulnerable or not. We could even use the requested file to check for post parameters. SQL Map comes pre-installed in Kali Linux. If it is not installed, you can use it by typing sudo apt install SQL Map. After installation, just type the sudo SQL Map on the terminal to use this tool. Number 6 on our list is AirCrack NG. AirCrack is an all-in-one packet sniffer, WEAP, and WPA cracker, analyzing tool and a hash capturing tool. It is a tool that is mainly used to hack Wi-Fi. Using this, we can capture the package and read the hashes out of them, as well as the cracking of those hashes by various attacks such as dictionary attacks. It supports almost all modern wireless interfaces. This tool also comes pre-installed in Kali Linux. You can simply use this tool by typing the following command in terminal. Number 5 on our list is the Burp Suite. One of the most widely used web application security testing tools is Burp Suite. It is utilized as a proxy, which means all requests from the proxy's browser pass via ET. And because the request runs through the Burp Suite, we can make changes to it as needed, which is useful for testing vulnerabilities, such as XSS and SQLI and other web-related issues. Burp Suite Community Edition is free with Kali Linux, but there is a premium version called Burp Suite Professional that has many more features than the free version. You can use this tool by typing the Burp Suite in the terminal. Number 4 on our list is Netcat. Netcat is a network tool for working with ports and performing tasks such as port scanning, listening, and redirection. This command is useful for debugging and testing network daemons. This tool is known as the Swiss Army knife of networking tools. It could also be used to perform TCP, UDP, or Unix domain sockets, or to open remote connections, and much more. This tool also comes pre-installed in Kali Linux. You can simply use this tool by typing netcat or nc in your Kali Linux terminal. Number 3 on our list is Nmap. Nmap is an open-source network scanner for reconfiguring and scanning networks. It is used to find ports, hosts, and services along with their versions over a network. It sends packets to the host and then examines the responses to get the intended outcomes. It might also be used to discover hosts, detect operating systems, and scan for open ports. It is one of the most widely used reconnaissance tools. To view the help of Nmap, type the following command in the terminal. Number 2 on our list is Nikto. Nikto enables ethical hackers and pen testers to conduct a complete web server scan to discover security vulnerabilities and related flaws. This scan collects results by detecting default file names, insecure file and app patterns, outdated server software, and server and software misconfigurations. You can install this tool by typing sudo apt install Nikto on terminal. Last but not least, we have Metasploit. Metasploit is an open-source tool that was designed by Rapid7 Technologies. It is one of the world's most used penetration testing frameworks. It comes packed with a lot of exploits to exploit the vulnerabilities over a network or operating systems. Metasploit generally works over a local network, but we can use Metasploit for hosts over the internet using port forwarding. Basically, Metasploit is a CLI-based tool, but it even has a GUI package called Armitage, which makes the use of Metasploit more convenient and feasible. We can use this tool by typing MSF console on the terminal. Here's end our today's video.